Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to Run BTS episode 133 full episode. So let's start the reaction to this one. Without further ado, let's start. RM, Suga, Jin. I just love the oh my god, Jimin is like. Alright, Jungkook. Workshop special, okay. Okay. Yo, yo. Okay. Workshop, okay. 2021.
제가 서울 상경한 날짜가 2011년인데
Okay, so it has been 10 years from Run episodes have started, okay.
시간이 굉장히 빠릅니다. 6월 4일.
It was June 4, okay.
제가 9월 달에 왔죠.
9월달 맞지
아 후배네.
Okay, sir. Oh god, Lord JK. Not so confident, okay. Individual games, okay. First you do an individual game, okay. Guess the dance type of belonging. First is search king, okay. Oh, typing game, okay. I'm good at this. Not so fast.
아 지금은 얼마 안 나오는데 옛날에는 거의 600.
Oh,
아, 600.
제가 알기로는 우리 리더 형이
oh
700.
god, as usual, Namjoon is the best.
900
옛날에 속기사 준비했었대요.
그건 이제 사실 그건 사실 루머긴 한데
오케이.
옛날에 꿈이 이제 기자 형님들 되는 게 꿈이었어가지고
They wanted to be a journalist, okay.
검색도 하면서
Because they type fast, didn't you?
말 보면서 이렇게
I also think it's kind of
저는
cool.
그거가 되게 신기했어요. 그 번역해 주시는 거 있잖아요. 예를 들어
아.
뉴스 같은 거 나올 때 바로 통역해가지고
야.
실시간으로.
그거는 귀도 빨라야 되고요. 머리도 빨라야 되고.
Look at him. Oh my god, Jimin is just having so much fun.
타자 치기가.
그렇지 노트북이 쉽진 않아요.
진짜
Okay.
낮아가지고.
야 여기 점수에 따라 간식
They'll get snacks according to their scores. Okay.
아 먹는 거 좋아요.
Alright, that's a good incentive.
아 됐어요.
야 뭐야 손도 푸시고
They actually did warm up.
진짜 느낌.
Okay. Wow. I think this is bullying Jin.
아 이거
I just thought that.
이거 자
Press spacebar to start. Okay. Oh, it's that game you have to type fast. Oh, it's Korean letters. Okay.
오케이 느낌 좋아요 지금 느낌 좋아요.
They're doing quite fast. Namjoon at least is doing quite fast.
느낌 좋아요. 좋아요.
Concentrating. Okay.
아 처마.
JK looks the most nervous here. Who is gonna win?
낯가리란 말이 뭐야?
They're all concentrating quite well.
타자스라가 뭐냐?
It's all hand concentration and all that. You need both. You need to concentrate in both the ways. You have to look and then you have to type and.
2단계 돌입했어요.
솔직히
Okay, stage 6 is already at stage 6. Okay.
나도.
Look at the other guys, man. Namjoon is going to win in this. Okay, JK has just lost. It's over.
정국아?
끝났죠.
Game is over. J-Hope is also done.
아 7,470.
7473, okay?
끝났어요. 끝났습니다.
Jake.
어떻게?
Oh, he cleared all
저
stages.
14,000.
Oh, obviously Namjoon 14,000.
저 9,900.
Okay.
26,880점이에요.
Really?
완전히 어떻게 나와?
Hey, it's 10. Oh, 10,000 only. Okay. He's
하지
kidding.
마세요. 네.
But he still has more than other people. I think he's the second.
랭킹에 보고 있어요.
He doesn't know his place. Okay, he just.
들어가고 있습니다.
I think it was 4,000 something. 9,000. 9,000 place.
아 어렵다.
4,000. Let's just say 4,000. Okay. It's 4,995. I think I saw that. Now the actual game will start. Wait, a handicap for Jungkook because he lost.
야 이거 차라리 애매할 바에는
This is hilarious, man. Now what are they going to do though?
핸디캡 넣어가지고 키보드
Keyboard is going to be hard or something.
아 진짜 연결돼요?
Oh my god, are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my god, they're serious. What is this? Are they got attached? god, he's really gonna use that?
아 진짜 너무 웃기다.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
그게 진짜
It's
작동을
actually there. They have to search something and he has to do this.
달라 포인터. 야 저거 시끄러워서 2분도 안 넘었다.
Hey, he's gonna lose, man. I really want to actually take a picture of this. This is ridiculous. Oh, they're gonna actually start the game search game. They have to maybe search something or something online. Yeah. Find the answer first. If it's wrong, he'll lose. He can answer again. Okay. That's good. 2000 day from the first run episode. Okay. They can just use the calculator.
야 이거 어려운데?
Oh, JK is typing in that actually. Oh my god. Okay, Jimin has found something.
잠시만요. 방송일로부터 2000일째 되는 날은.
He's also searching. Okay, everybody is searching.
오케이
Okay.
오케이 오케이.
There are some tricks you have to use to search which website you have to see. Okay, it's going to be good.
잠깐만. 이거
Oh, he calculated date just like I said, Jim. Okay.
잠깐만 일단 시작점은 알았는데.
Oh, Jimin is using anniversary calculator. Obviously, 2000 he said, no?
2021년 1월 20일.
진짜?
Yep. Jimin, brainiac. He's like so happy.
어떻게 했어? 어떻게 했어?
He actually went there and did that.
현민이
Okay.
계산기를 애용했네.
Oh God, Jimin.
정답이지.
아 이런 계산기 오케이 자.
That was a nice one, yeah.
좀 하네.
아 이념일 계산기가 있어?
Everyone knows that. Okay.
난 구글에다 쳤거든. 2021.1452
Oh, it was too slow.
어쩌라고.
나는 알바
What is we doing actually? He's just having fun.
이거 좀 인정이다.
Answer.
너그 버튼을 쓰면 되겠다.
He's just doing that.
이상한 거 누르지 말라고.
Stop it. You are making it Japanese. Okay. Second question.
아 이거 은근 떨린다.
Okay. Two teams. Okay. The names of the two teams. Okay. That's a good question. They can find it on Amino or Naver or maybe I don't know blogs. Yeah. He got it. Jin got it.
안경팀 vs 김석진 팀.
Kim Seokjin team. Maybe that's team one because obviously it's Kim Seokjin
한참
team.
이거 블로그 포스트 보고 있었는데.
Oh God, really?
그러니까 난 이거
They were actually reading the blog.
이렇게 사진이 나와 있더라고.
He skipped. Actually skipped that.
잘
Okay.
보고 있었습니다.
Okay.
안해.
123rd episode.
와 대박이다. 여기다.
Oh.
쳐서 그냥 사이트에 들어왔어.
나도 그거
He
하려고
just typed this. Okay, this is good.
오케이.
Fourth question. Okay. They want the concept of the blogs. Okay, photo shoot.
이게 뭔데?
This will take time, obviously. Jungkook is actually doing it so well, man. I wouldn't even be able to type in this. Like, what is he doing?
들어가서 진짜 달방을 다 봐야 되는 거 아니야?
아니 이 수많은 블로그 포스터의 아미분들이 절대로 컨셉이 뭔지 안 알려주는데요?
Okay.
공포
Thriller, nostalgia.
스릴러 아련. 와 진짜?
One, oh my god, one thing is wrong.
전국
Okay.
전국. 스릴러 부자 아련.
JK actually got a right answer with this.
잘한다 핸디캡.
어디서 찾았어?
With this keyboard.
역시 네이버.
Naver.
뭐라고 쳤어?
살려라 방탄
He
100.
just typed one episode name, okay.
혹시나 돈이라고 안 했어? 공포 스릴러라 했니? 아,
So he said the wrong thing. Okay.
똑같은 걸 두 개 읽고 있네.
Fifth question.
아니 어렵다.
한자만 있어.
Okay.
나 달려방탄 다 치지.
What is the name of three teams again? Okay. The team names are what? He's actually searching the YouTube video. Look at here. He's like waiting for it. He's skipping that. You'll get an ad also, man.
안해. 저요. 공비혁.
Namjoon, correct. Oh man.
어떻게 찾아?
아, 이 아미 누구셔? 이 아미 누구셔?
Okay.
어른 어린이네. 아, 이 정말.
The army would be so happy that they saw it. Okay.
공 위패 아니었어요?
They changed it.
여기 나오는데? 아니야, 바뀌었어. 컵으로.
Okay.
컵으로 바꿨어.
아좀 약간 팁 좀 주십시오. 어떻게 하면 잘 찾습니까?
아, 이게 말 그대로 구글링을 할 수밖에 없습니다. 정답!
So happy to close Jungkook's search engine. He actually closed JK's search engine and had fun with that. And he has to open it again with that keyboard. Right? Just he put the space bar out. Okay. Okay. Taekook fun. Look at them, man. Like, what are they doing? Oh my god, really? They actually used that space bar and they were fighting with it. Like, what are they? I think they're just having fun. These guys are so fun. Like, what? Okay, let's start. Okay, 113 times. What subjects did you learn? Okay.
정답!
He just guessed it, he didn't even search.
첫 번째.
Jungkook is actually searching.
정답 진. 4교시 1교시 국어, 2교시 미술, 3교시
오케이.
음악, 4교시 체육. 체육.
They're just guessing now.
정답.
Okay,
1교시 국어.
okay, whatever. It's wrong.
네가 하고 싶은 거 한 거 아니야?
I think it's not actually written.
어? 잠깐만 3교시까지 찾았는데 1, 2교시가 안 나와.
He's just gonna guess the second two subjects. J-Hope.
2교시 2교시
Wait, let me say, okay.
진.
1교시 국어, 2교시 미술, 3교시 음악, 4교시 한문.
Nobody's actually searching, they're just guessing.
한국기.
Wrong answer, wrong answer.
아 대박이다. 와 대박.
He said something correct, J-Hope. But not fully. Okay. This is,
처음이다.
I think JK is the only one who's searching and Jimin maybe. They're taking time but they're actually searching.
뭐야? 저희요. 총 몇 교시의 수업이었고. 아니야, 5교시도 있어?
Jungkook actually found the right answer.
아니야.
Taste tried to stop him.
5교시고 국어.
There were actually 5 subjects. 5, not 4, not 3. That's why they were wrong. Okay.
그다음 2시간 몰래 먹기
Jungkook, what dedication, man. Like, really, he's doing it on that keyboard, giant keyboard. You can't blame them. Okay, I want to score a point.
앨범 맞추고 싶다.
League of number 1. Play T1.
정답.
Check. V is just not even actually searching.
페이커.
Wrong. Okay.
아 T1 내가 먼저
오케이.
떨어지긴 했는데 T1은 모르는데.
Namjoon is actually looking in blogs. Nobody's talking about T1. Okay.
지금 지원했는데요? 이런 얘기가 없어.
My God, no information.
없어.
아니 누가 먼저 탈락한 건데?
제이요.
Wrong.
에포트?
Oh my God. Oh God, again wrong. Jungkook again is right.
아, 칸나 아니면 커졌는데. 아, 씨.
아나 달봉 보고 있었는데 나왔는데 이제.
Team building special. Use the trick. JK used the trick. How much was the score? Okay. They can just search it in YouTube. Commercial. Oh my God.
아, 포스트의 주작 전국 최고 점수를 위해
오케이.
주작에 기로한 전국. 주작 농구 중인 전 전국이 옆으로 나아가는 주작.
I think it was 200 something. I have seen that.
빨리 해.
Yeah, 273. Oh my God. I love that when he did that though. JK is so fun. He just went and did that.
저게 바로 주작이구나.
273, amazing.
이거 어떻게
Oh God.
네? 어?
it's that episode in which J-Hope and Jungkook jumped, the meme one. I just love that one, man. I love that meme.
우정이요? 설마
They have to find out which episode it was from.
야, 진짜 네이버에 제이홉 박장대소
오케이.
치고 앉아있다. 편이었더라.
Oh my god, how are they gonna search?
박장대소, 제이홉 박장대소.
Because J-Hope is a really fun-loving person. He laughs a lot. Oh my god, that's what he's also confused.
아, 제이홉. 안 나와.
Hair color. Jungkook is using hair color.
이건 되게 합리적으로 추측해서 들어가야 돼.
저거 머리색
I think it was episode 30 or something. 31. I don't remember.
몇 화에서 봤지?
I've seen this a lot. I've actually used that clip in one of my cracks.
제이홉
34.
달렬방탄 34화?
No. 33, 34. Okay.
정국
Jungkook is like 33.
지민!
Yeah, Jimin is 33. He's like 34, 33, 33. Okay. He got tricked. J-Hope got tricked. Oh, this is hilarious, man. J-Hope just randomly does this, yeah. Okay, I could find him. What is Jimin saying? Oh, look at his face, man. Jimin. Is he eating something or what? He looks hilarious. Frustrated Jimin. This search is not actually really. How did you find this? Oh my god. Oh god, what is he actually saying?
지민!
Let me try a taste. He himself is saying the wrong thing. Okay, how would someone remember that, man? Let me try a taste, okay? He tried to use the other accent, okay?
아, 그거 입 모양이 이런데?
나도 한 입만 주라 아니었어?
Okay. I shouldn't have eaten one secret. Stop
야 찍지 말라고
talking nonsense.
아니, 저 지민이 표정
He's
너무
eating something,
보이긴
okay?
하네.
I couldn't eat it, okay?
저런 거지 저거는 얼굴
Oh
그냥
god.
뭘 먹고 있는 게
He has a puffy face then, okay? Namj is actually lip reading. I think he's lip reading. You shouldn't have given me one more, okay?
그게 뭐야?
Oh god. Did he get it correct?
이거요.
It was correct.
오케이.
Oh, Jin said something else. He said it correctly. I think he read it somewhere. You shouldn't put one more in. Okay. I think Jin should get the point.
이거 소리가 안 들려?
I found it in the vlog, okay.
샀어요?
네.
How many gummy candies did they have?
종이가 몇 개 들어있을까요?
12
지민
left.
13개 그러나 봉지에 12개 그래서 땡 바로 그때
You shouldn't
홍수
have put
안에
one
10개
more
하나만 더
in.
넣어주지 젤리 봉지가 잘했네
Correct.
정답!
Oh my god, what was that? He literally choked. The song that brings first number 1, 2 was title track of third mini album. Okay,
제이홉 영어로 쳤다.
2015년
wrong. Oh god, May 5, 2015.
15년 5월 5일
Jimin is kind of quick, man, like reading. And why are they JK and Holy, we just typed something so fast it just didn't type correctly. That's why they're laughing, okay? He's not able to do the same thing, which is thinking or typing is not able to do this, okay? The show, really? Oh, the betrayal episode. J-Hope, everybody said J-Hope is the one who's lying, but he wasn't. I think Jin won that. Okay. What did we wrote? You.
너내 뽑았어.
Oh, so fast. Oh, this is the legendary episode where it's like, Jin was giving us a vocal exercise of his.
2014년 2월 10일.
Correct.
아
Oh,
지민 9시 22분 오전 9시
okay. They are quite good at this.
여기 있네
안에
Hard voice.
하트 소년.
Oh, I use that in my Insta. Okay. This is so cool, man. At this moment, what was the given word for sugar? Okay.
아 저거 무슨 편이었더라?
Now they are going to have a lot of trouble to find this.
아 이걸
I think.
안될 것 같다 형 저기는 뭐였죠? 아니. 저기가 어디지?
100 episode, okay. V. You have to search it, see? Oh god. Blink?
찡끗.
Wrong.
와 사진 너무 많아.
Jimin is doing such fast things. This was the latest episode from which it is taken, right? Really. They played football with in front of that net and all. It was really fun, actually.
뭐야 무슨
They're doing this.
나 거의 다 왔거든요.
Jumping around.
뭐 있냐?
아니야.
Hey, we can't cheat like that. This is too much. Like, he is the one.
황당.
You're cheating, it's not accepted, okay?
뺏기고 오르지
So the answer is correct. Oh my god, the answer is absurdity. Obviously, he cheated.
지민.
Jimin.
황금 맞는 거
He's right. Oh my god, stop cheating me. Okay, let's guess too. Okay, let me try, okay?
이게 진짜 어렵다.
아나 이거 진짜 같이 가까이
Look at the selfies, okay? We have to guess that, okay?
검색해야 돼요?
Oh, they have to find it in Weverse, okay? I think it's Sugar, Jungkook, J-Hope,
네.
Sugar,
정확해야 돼요?
V. Yeah. Oh man, I know. Who is who? Like really? They are actually searching. Obviously, they will be able to guess.
아세 번째가 누군지
It's
모르겠어.
like
일단 지민.
the,
슈가 정국 태영 슈가 아니 태영
I
슈가
don't know. It's Sugar, Jungkook, J-Hope, Sugar, Taeyong.
정국
Oh god.
진 RM
정국.
아니야.
They're just guessing it out. Okay.
정국, 지민, 슈가, 제이홉.
Wrong. Man.
없는데 저기.
거기 정국이라고
V. 슈가, 정국, 남준.
That's not Namjoon. That's J-Hope.
슈가, 태양.
I think. Yeah, it's J-Hope. Okay, I was right. Man. If you look like that, you just put it like that. Okay.
이상한 입술 같은 사람 우리 팀에 있다고?
저 두 번째 입술은 누구야? 두 번째 정국의 슈가.
Everybody is trying so hard, they're not able to get it. The middle one is really hard to guess, I guess. You can use look at the speed in which V has taken his phone and started searching like that.
제일 마지막에 들어
Finally, something I can do.
현영이랑 호비 형 먼저 할 수 있다.
아니 저걸 바보
Because I think V has the lowest point right now.
저거 왠지 김태형이.
자, 아까 정답 말을 얘기할게요.
Look at them. No.
지민 RM
He's saying wrong himself.
정국 제이홉
Obviously, it's wrong.
네 번째를 누군지 모르겠어
아 호비 형 먼저 해야 돼. 나 다른가?
Oh
저게
my
사람이
god.
이거
이버스 맞아, 제이홉.
I don't know. Really?
슈가,
수가가 확실해
지민, 슈가 사진 여기 있어.
Oh god, these guys actually found the sugar picture.
제이홉 COD
지민.
Maybe he was right about V, but other things are wrong.
진짜?
야, 너 일로 와. 아니야, 너.
He actually is going near them and seeing who is it.
저 슈가, 정국, RM, 슈가.
Oh my god, he got the middle part wrong.
슈가 정국 제이홉 슈가 태영.
Correct. Jimin is right again. Oh god.
이게 중간인데
내가 호비 형 빼고 다 맞췄었어. 호비 형 진짜 왜?
How walks like that? He said. Oh my god. He says like, is it me?
저거 제가 위버스에 올린 거예요? 아, 저 기억나다. 저거
He was drunk. Okay. Oh god.
이러면서 올린 거 같은데.
와 진짜 형.
우리 술 먹고 대박이다.
Oh god. This really, they're laughing. Oh.
나 근데 세상 우리 참 뭐 별거 많이 했다
Right after doing the tour, okay.
아, 진짜 어렵다. 와, 너무 아쉬운 이 검색어이다.
It was close, okay.
긴장 엄청 하고 했어. 심장 엄청 떨렸어.
오케이. 지민이가 1등인 것 같은데? 누가 1등인
So who won?
남준이 형, 지민이야.
Jungkook got 4 points. Jimin got 6 points. Aaron got 5 points.
정국아, 너 대단하다.
J-Hope and V got 1 point for guys. How would they get their snacks then?
태영아, 너랑 나는 뭐 한 거야? 내가 진짜 이거 샀으면
But they are actually gonna plead the other guys.
이거 검색 잘 못하지만
지금
This guy was cheating. Okay, so what?
오이피클이요. 야, 나도 어묵 국물 한 잔 오이피클 하나야.
Oh my god. He's okay. Jimin is giving swagger right now because he has more points, so he can order. Look at Jeo being cute right now.
우리 제이형 뭐 먹었노? 이런 거지. 이런 아주 막 다 사주고
Oh god, that's so cute, man.
교육 잘하네.
Look at him. Okay, he also has 1 point. Okay. What do you want to eat?
싶은데.
Just like rice one and two.
제이형 뭐 원해?
I has 4. Okay. Look at them, man. V is so cute. Okay, he's saying I'll give you 2 points. Okay.
될것 같아. 꼬치 어묵. 꼬치 어묵 오케이. 아 그러면은 뭐야? 내가 제
Oh
꼬치 3개
god.
시킬게요. 어묵. 꼬치 3개? 네. 그러면은 뭐 하지? 내가 어묵 국물 해야 되나? 야 오이 피클 먹을래?
Why are you in? Jimin's like, let me. I also choose. I have 6 points.
오이 피클은 도대체 뭐랑 어울리는 거야? 근데 사실 이제 여기서 이제 제가
I have the most
제일
points.
많으니까 제일 비싼 거 하나 또 시켜봐야 되지 않겠어요? 뭐 그치 맞지 지카 떡볶이 가자 떡볶이 하나 떡볶이 하나 순대 하나 제가 이렇게 딱
오케이.
시키면 되겠네 아니 은근히 오이 피클이 괜찮았어요 저 오이 피클 할게요 형 그냥 국물에
Oh man, the way they are doing this, like really.
그냥 형 여기 끼지 마 야, 오이 피클 효능이 대단하네요
We looked it up, the benefits
비타민 C가 풍부해요
of pickles.
뛰어나다고 알려져 있는 오이는
Just so they
생식
Jimin orders that.
원료를 작용하여 비만인 사람이나 성기능이 저하된 사람에게
Wow, Jeo.
아,
Such a king of search, okay.
자 여러분들 맛있게 드십시오.
So all of them are.
I'm breaking hearts
So-
with my rock and roll, but you keep me on my toes, ready to go.
Okay.
일단 오이피클 하나 먹으면 기가 막히다 아닙니까?
Alright, let's try it.
오이피클 한 번 먹으면 오이피클. 야.
So they finally ate that, which they searched, okay. Well, they got the reward.
딴 거보다 오뎅 국물이 대박이다.
와.
아 요즘 날씨가 너무 더워가지고.
와 진심이야 오뎅 국물. 와.
아 오뎅 국물이 진짜 진심이다.
They had their fill. Snacks.
Take a look at these dreams, baby.
자 여러분 우리 다음 코너로
오케이.
넘어가야죠. 그러니까 여러분들 채웠습니다 여러분. 야 검색왕이 맺혀주시죠. 오케이. 달려.
Next round. With lots of energy. Yeah. Jimin got his fill, so. With strong. Okay. Next part is Guess What Dance.
재용. 드디어 너의 시간이 왔다.
Okay. Jayob's time to shine. He will be able to guess right who is dancing, what choreography it is. Oh, Jungkook actually guessed it right.
없을 것 같으니까. 네.
Non-professional, so it's going to be problematic because it's hard. Bad dancers.
누가 해주시냐에 따라 중요하겠네.
You should guess with them. That's what it is. Okay. Let's see more. It's going to be bad dancer. Okay. We have to guess the song. Special. We just try guess with them. Okay.
얼굴 다 가리신 거 봐봐.
Okay. Wow. That's really hard to.
뭐요? 뭐라고요?
Is it dynamite? Because that leg movement. Is it? Okay.
치는데 계속.
I'm still saying it's dynamite.
아니 저게 안무를 하신 건 맞아요.
Choreography is really scary. I'm not able to understand. Okay. Still hard to guess, huh? J-Hope is like, okay, dynamite.
그렇게 쌉인가 생각하고 있었어.
Okay. Then ping pong. My. Oh man, I got it with the leg movements.
오케이 알았어요. 감 잡았어. 감 잡았습니다. 이거 뭐 식은 죽 먹기겠구만 나한테는.
네, 이제
Okay, the actual game will start. Okay.
오케이.
Jin, are you ready? Because he is not that much of a good dancer according to like people, but I think he's okay. First question.
갑니다. 아까랑 똑같은
It looks like the same. Okay. It's spinning. Jin is so concentrating. Oh, Jin got it. Idol.
맞아.
He's right. Oh my god, he's right. Yeah. Jin is the one who's able to guess. I think Jin is going to win. I think. I mean, J-Hope should shine in this, but he's scared. Okay. 7, 8. They are making him, pressurizing him, man. Oh god. Jin is quite good though. Look at him. He's like, oh my god. They come here, I know. He got it right. Okay, next episode is on. I think J-Hope is not going to be the one who is actually going to win in this. I think it's going to be Jin. So if you like my reaction to this, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.
With